Yo, hello, 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 hello. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Yo, hello, 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 hello. Did you guys see what happened? Did you guys see what happened? This move was crazy as move. Look at this move. Look at this move. I was casually trading, like looking at the market, and suddenly 850 plus point. That is insane. Get profitable or get, yeah. What in the world was that candle, to be honest? But let's see if we can get around it or not. आज का थोड़ा चौक हो सकता है, so yes, I can teach you. Just watch everyday stream. I don't know if I can teach you or not, but yeah, 4% का मूव है या anti RK trades, anti happens with the best of us. I mean, if you look at this, like this, I tweeted this when it was happening. Look at this. Out of nowhere, Trump Chacha tweeted. And I think somebody did mention what he tweeted. Where did it go? Yeah, this was. Look at it. Very good talks with the Iran. Alright. Oh, like, alright. Yes, you can pass it, but I don't guarantee that every trade will be profitable. Let's go, Pratik. Congratulations for passing the account. कुछ नहीं भाई, अपने सेटअप का वेट करो किशन भाई. That's the approach. AMD क्या ही है ये, accumulation, manipulation, ये वाला, और then distribution to the downside. Or you meant this one, like accumulation, then we manipulate to the downside and then go up. I don't know. For me, what would be like nice thing to, I mean, like either we go up, sweep the lows, or we just clearly don't go up and just go downside. But in the end, my point of view will be that we go to like these lows. This is all probably a news market. Okay, so again, nothing is certain in this risk, as you are risking in a lower probabilities trades. Okay, take today as a lower probability day. Even I'm not saying don't take trades, but again, protect what you can. And market is open. Go on, you can if you वो ऑटो विड्रॉल ही होता है. गो ऑन, वो ऑटो विड्रॉ होके तुम्हारे बैंक में 3-4 दिन में आ जाएगा. पहला पे आउट टाइम लगता है. ओके, let's see how the market plays out. We won't be rushing, and SL will be bigger today, guys. Yeah, SL will be bigger than usual. So make sure you are risking. Even if you are going with one mini, I mean, usually I would like to, yeah, I would like you to drop to like 6 micros, maybe 7. यस, रेड डॉट पे तुम यूज कर सकते हो। कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल वो रहेगा गोन भाई, वो रहेगा, वो एज अ रहेगा। अभी अभी तक कुछ हेयर कट नहीं करवाया भाई। आई लुक चॉप्ड, आई नीड a haircut though. Alright, we have swept the lows, internal lows. Hello, welcome to the stream. Look at this. लूसिड डायरेक्ट है बढ़िया, ओके, बट वो 20% कंसिस्टेंट के, इससे यार बहुत ही हार्ड होगा। यूवी, you will have to stay consistent to take payout on those, but if you like it, it's fine. uh why do you guys do that, Prabal? I mean, if you have used everything, her card, her bank account, everything, maybe not, but that is still a wrong thing to do. Don't do it. That's wrong. All right, let's focus. Hello. नहीं, आ जाएंगे गोन। सैटरडे संडे नहीं गिना जाता वैसे भी, नो वरी, सैटरडे संडे नहीं गिना जाता। दे आर नॉट द डेज व्हेन पीपल वर्क एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड। हेलो श्रीनी, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। इट्स चॉपी। अरे वो गिन लो ना यूवी भाई, इतना भी। और लूसिड और उन सब फॉर्म में अगर पे आउट अप्रूव हो रहा है तो तुम्हारा पैसा आएगा ही, टेंशन मत लो। हाँ, वो भी बढ़िया चीज बोली अंश ने। लुक एट दिस शिट, वेट फॉर इट, let me set things up, otherwise I'm gonna keep touching my hair if I don't like it. Big hair, forehead. Manipulative market, yes, can be. I really miss my live account. Don't, I do too. भाई वर्तमान में फ्राइडे को मॉर्निंग में आया विड्रॉल, था अभी तक मेल अपडेट नहीं आया। मेल अपडेट कुछ नहीं आएगा, डायरेक्ट अब बैंक में आएंगे। वेट करो गाइस, 4 दिन तक नहीं आए, 5 दिन तक, फिर तुम मैसेज डालो। 5 दिन वेट करना पड़ेगा। दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ यू लिविंग इन इंडिया, मी टू। ओके, लूसिड तो पैसा भेज देती है, इट्स ऑल अबाउट ट्रांसफरिंग इट टू INR, इट टेक्स टाइम। User I have seen more was price action than this in last October. So yeah, not the, I think, yeah, 2nd to October maybe. डायरेक्ट लूसिड के साथ भी मत जाओ, और एपेक्स के साथ आई गेस इफ यू कैन गो विथ ट्रेड विथ ट्रेलिंग ड्रॉडाउन, मे बी गो विथ द एपेक्स, बट आई वुड नॉट सजेस्ट यू टू go with direct lucid accounts. They are very hard to get payouts on, but if you like no liberation accounts, yes. It got filled. Let's go Mitul, congratulations. फेब बहुत बेटर था, उससे बढ़िया जनवरी था, यानी उससे बढ़िया दिसंबर था। तो या yes, it can happen, Aditya, it can happen. I'm just looking at the price action and see what I can do. I'm simply gonna play on the inversions as I usually do. After 1,000 pass my eval, locking out. Let's go. Congratulations, Rini. W. What are you taking trade as? I don't even find my trades. What's up, madam? Madus. Medus. ICT inversion setups, 1 minute time frame. That's what I trade. Yeah, if ES inverse this, maybe there's a chance for us to. We have swept double bottom, so let's see if we can have a push inversion of this because it has been choppy, okay? Overall, but still, this move is crazy. Okay, candles are not looking that big, but this is a 100-point move. So make sure you know what you are risking. Even if we invert this 5 minute, the trade will be something like this: 91-point shop and getting same amount of here. Breaking even will come earlier, but yeah. Okay, trade plan बता दिया है. Now it's all you. And if anybody wants to take 3 minute, yes, that's also a thing. We got still 1 more minute. If we close strong, I think there's a chance because again, is candle की weak नहीं थी. अगर we are not closing strong, I would think as it like कि ये ऐसे ही weak बना के चला जाएगा. I learned from ICT himself. I don't know if I seen anybody trading other than ICT. I've seen him trading, and yeah, that's where I learned from. All right, wanting to see a close. Negative or again, it depends on what kind of trades are you taking. Okay, it has closed strong. So yeah, maybe I'll try long here now that you heard it. Order filled. It's annoying sound. Let's see if we can hold this whole thing and then we go longs. Continue going. My stop is just around here, 44. I'm risking not much though. I'll find a break-even area. If you invert to invert, I think I'll be, yeah, damn if we do that. But if you wanna stay bearish, I don't think so. This should work out. And if you wanna stay bullish, this has to work out for now. Okay. Let's see. Let's watch, and it's probably coming back down. Not probably, it is coming back down. Sheethead. It's coming straight from my SL. ES did not invert it. 5 minute, I'm just gonna keep watching 5 minute to stay positive and not cut it early. Okay. Once we take out, let's say 87 area, if we do go there, of course it is not certain that we're gonna go there, but if we do go somewhere around here, I'm gonna look for trailing. I'm gonna move my SL to 470 now, somewhere around that, because the low it has made currently should hold. Otherwise, no point in doing anything. All right, now it's wait and watch. गाइस फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, रिस्क देख लेना खुद से, क्योंकि अभी भी ट्रेलिंग करने के बाद भी ये कितने का बन रहा है, 68 पॉइंट का. ओके, and we won 91 point something around that. We won the push to 689. I'm gonna take some up there and some at the top. Okay, let's see it hold this push again. If this doesn't hold, this can be just a liquidity sweep and then we come back down. Okay, don't get happy until we get hit like 590, somewhere around there we can start thinking about booking some profits, but till now it's nothing. If we do not hold this, we straight away go down. But if we hold this structure, I think we go up. Just like ES, अगर तुम ES को देखोगे तो वो जा रहा है, but NQ is getting weaker. But we should hold this at least. क्या हुआ, फाफा क्यों लिख रहे हो? Yeah, it's just not holding for now. I think trade B करना is a better thing to do, partial book करना is also better thing to do, but तुम्हारी स्ट्रेट के साथ क्या काम करता है most probably वो देखना जरूरी होता है, rather than just if you think in my strategy, I think booking is the best thing, because sometimes my trade gonna run, because again if you see this trade ran up to if it runs up to let's say this much 50 points, I think wise thing to do is book it. We do not have the buy push again. We are just chopping around at my entry. And I'm gonna take only one stab at the market. अरे वो पॉइंट से तुम एसएल क्यों मेजर करते हो? ट्रेड के हिसाब से देखो ना कि मार्केट हैज मूव्ड व्हाट क्रेजी अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, सो एसएल बिगर ही हो गए. और मैंने स्ट्रीम करने से पहले भी बोल दिया था, ट्रेड लेने से पहले ही स्ट्रीम होते ही कि आज के एसएल बड़े होंगे. द वे वी हैव मूव्ड and look at it's not even holding today. It's messy how it's working out. I got hopeful right there when we got this push that we're gonna hold. It's just not holding as of now. If you go break even again, I'm gonna keep trailing whatever I can save, because again it's getting choppier on the little bit higher time frame, 2 minute, and my monitor is. भाई तुम्हें कैसे दिख रहा है अगर मेरा मॉनिटर शट हो रहा है तो? सिस्टम, आई थिंक सिस्टम से दिख रहा है. If you do react of this bailing out soon, let's see if this hold on ES as well. If we get above break even again, I'm gonna trail again. Okay, I do not care if anybody don't like trailing, because मुझे नहीं लगता वो वापिस आना चाहिए. तो I'm gonna keep it just around 57 points here. मुझे वो वीक का थोड़ा छोड़ना है. So if he wants to test that week again, it can. Alright, अगर ये अब ऊपर नहीं गया तो it's just a market guys. 2 बार उसने पुश ट्राई किया है, अगर अब नहीं जा रहा है तो it's just a fucking shit piece of market. Has been like that. Should push though. Yeah, I'm holding. I'm holding. I'm holding because risk is not much. I'm in with the micros, not even a mini. And with the kind of risk I take, it's a that should tell you how much risk is in this trade. Let's see if it pushes to the upside, hold this whole structure. If we go take out the highs again, and it just dumps like crazy every time we go up. My risk is only $500 at this point in this trade. 50 point SL, 5 micros. And it feels like it's gonna go out. Look at this. Yes, it's just getting weaker. I want market to close above strong here, not just taking out the peaks. Otherwise, it won't feel like a good thing or good displacement. Ah, come on. Should I do a commentary, guys? Let me go properties. All right. We are in this trade, guys. We are waiting for the loans. Are you guys in with me? सुनाई दे रहा है अच्छे से और नहीं? Is it voice changer working or not, guys? Let me know. Is voice changer working or not? Let me know, guys. We are pushing, but market is still going down. We want it to push. We want it to push. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Come on. Keep it as in green. Okay, not working properly. Fuck that. Fuck that. We don't want it. Trade is in profit. Fuck that. I'm gonna take 2 or 3 Microsoft at 589, guys. Okay, just get it through. And rest, we're gonna hold, baby. Let me take out most of it there because market is fucking, and then we hold rest for the longs. 20. All right. Red Bull चाहिए क्या? Let me get it. Let me get it, guys. I'll be back. Okay, wait for my Red Bull. Red Bull. Wait for my Red Bull. Okay, I'll get it. Come on, we do not want the pullback, baby doll. We do not want the pullback. Yeah, we have trailed 2 times already. So I'm gonna trail once we take out that high, 589. And yes, it is good time. If somebody wants to go break even, they go break even, okay? I have appetite to take SL from here. If you do not have appetite to take SL from here, we are about what? More than 25, 30 points. Might as well take something. Okay, I took some up there. Beautiful. Now I have a rest at the break even. I'm almost in a chill pill right now. Gonna wait for the full TP if it happens. If it does not happen, I don't care. Negative RR it is. It is negative RR. Who the fuck cares? When we caught 50 pointer with that. Let's go, boys. Who the fuck cares, guys? Let's go. And that is why taking off some is a good idea sometime. It's gonna come back straight. Okay, okay, बच गया. अगर ये बच गया ब्रेक इवन, माय ब्रेक इवन वाज एट द थोड़ा एक दो पॉइंट ऊपर रखा है, तो मैंने रखा है 41.75. जस्ट स्ट्रेट अवे saved my ass there. I don't know in Apex can you do it anymore or not. Okay, trailing my SL to 44, and you can trail as market is going up, guys. Easy peasy. Okay, hold it till 90 point 89 points. कितने चाहिए थे? I'm gonna hold it till 20. Okay. Capture 900 points news. Come on यार, तुम ही ट्रेडर हो, हम तो सिर्फ देख ही रहे. Beautiful trading, more like. भाई क्यों नहीं भाई, वो नहीं पी रहा है टर्बो. आई एम ड्रिंकिंग रेड बुल. Come on guys, I'm trailing till here 561. Fuck it, we'll book some profit. Yes, it is a good trading day, by the way. Beautiful trading day. Now we can get the retracement, guys. Just because we have tapped into this, I can understand now we are retracing. I don't know why that retracement was there. Trade has ran up to what? 72 points. Everybody took TPW. Let's go. My background is red, but today we are green. ES को देखो स्पॉट करने के लिए कि क्या होगा. Trump is live and I think we'll get cooked then. If he's live and talking, we're gonna get cooked. Trailing SL hit हो गया I think. Come on, इधर से one more high. Oh, I'm gonna. Okay, my trailing SL means in profit got hit. Okay, I'm happy though. I'm happy with whatever you captured. Yes, sir. And oh my god, it's gonna pump, no? I still believe in this setup to be honest, but again, I don't wanna take a risk on days like this when the guy is speaking. आ जाएगा लास्ट बॉय आ जाएगा, चिल मारो. Yes. Probably should have booked when we took a deep into like this here. But as you can see now we are inverting the 1 minute, so again it becomes riskier to hold even if you see. Hello as welcome to the stream. Okay, in 3 contracts I booked somewhere around 49 points, and then in 2 contracts 20 points, so I'm happy. Yes, my main strategy is based on IFPGs, yes. Hello, Ash. If yes still holds this structure, okay, this whole thing, I think we will stay bullish. आ जाएगी. And I think that was the right decision to trail my SL till here, and we took it out. Any plans on buying new car? As I don't know, maybe I will have to do something for that. Not right now though. Does it have to come back down till my entries? Look at it go now. I think as soon as we invert this 1 minute, there's still one more setup happening, guys. If anybody wants to take it, okay, there's a 1 minute inversion. Setup by setup. Okay, if you wanna wait for better close, you can. But if you don't wanna wait for it, this is the trade. You all like the way. But again, if you took a great TP in this trade, you don't have to take this one. Yes, scalping is allowed in the Lucid trading. They still don't understand more like it. I mean, they still don't understand what game I am playing. So it's all right. I don't, and they don't have to. They're just happy that I'm successful in what I do. That's all it matters. Just wait for 10 a.m. Yes, you can wait for the 10 a.m. if you want to. But I think as long yes, as soon as ES close above this 3 minute, we're gonna stay bullish. You can go break even if you want about this black high. Sorry, high, not black. Whatever the fuck. Okay, it's still a risky place, but again, setup by setup. If you made money in this, you don't have to go in. I'm not in this trade, by the way. Hello, Ritik. Welcome to the stream. Ritik, I think was it? Nah, it was somebody else. Okay. We need a close on 3 minutes. If we do close strong, I think this trade is gonna go shoot up and we'll get original TP on this one. But again, I'm out of everything. I don't care. I just want my money. That it cross this line and you can go break even. If you wanna go right now, you can. I think you're gonna get taken out if you go right now. Probably you will not. I wait for 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, and bus. That's all. 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute. Triple top, double top. Actually, that is. I think you should go break even if you're in this trade. I don't think so. You should wait for anything because then it can just directly dump through. Yes, I again 15 minutes high and 15-minute lows. Last buy always choose flex. Flex is the best one out there, and 25Ks are better to start with, but because ratio passing ka easier. How many accounts are you trading with right now? 5 accounts. And it tapped the break even. Now it will go. See dash market. But yeah, happy that something is working out. The way we are thinking has been working out today. Hopefully it will. So 25K flex account, not pros. If you want to pass account in one day, yes, go with the pros, but I would highly suggest go with the flex, guys. Do you miss FX? I miss FX just because मेरे पास FX होता अगर I would have done crazy shit in the Jan and February and probably in the December. I would have taken out what, $100,000, $80,000 each month, each of those 3 months because मैं बहुत कुत्ते वाली winning streak पे था दिसंबर में. I'm not in this trade by the way. I was in this trade. I took it out here, so I don't want to get in this trade. Again, my monitor is shutting down again and again and again. बट ईएस को देखते हुए मुझे लगता है कि ये पुश अप कर जाएगा गाइस इजीली. I do have some PAs. I have 4 evals and 1 PA. How are you gonna unban? They're not gonna unban me. And they should not, to be honest. Why not use somebody? नहीं भाई मैं नहीं कर सकता. And as I said, this fucker doesn't had to come back break even for you guys. How much buffer you need to pay out? Flex account में there is no need for the buffer. I think the minimum you'll have to make $1,000 to take $500 out because that's a minimum payout, $500. So that's a rule. What do you recommend on getting on mini? He's asking if I don't think so. There is a 10-second rule in, but I think even if you do like very high frequent trading, you won't be cutting there like okay, वो breach कर दे account और profit ना गिने. Because I have done it sometimes and it's not there. अंश बोल बता देगा silent. Because मैं ऐसी ट्रेडिंग करता नहीं है तो मुझे वो रूल पता नहीं है. I don't know more like नए एपेक्स के जो रूल्स है वो मुझे पता ही नहीं है. I used to trade negative RR because back then when I had Apex, I used to trade negative RR because of the trailing drawdown. पर अब नहीं कर रहा मैं. नहीं होगा उमंग भाई, फिर भी नहीं होगा. 10 सेकंड में most of the your trade will take more than 10 seconds. So yes, you can. Body to body and straight down. And hopefully this time it took out the high, so you will have you should have break even it. I'm up quite a bit on my one funded accounts, but I don't want to jinx it. So once I take the payout, I'll tell you guys which accounts I'm trading. It is Tradify accounts, so yeah. Alright. Alright, more like have a great day too. You took the long on ES closed at the $328 plus. Let's go W. उमंग भाई किसी एक स्ट्रेटेजी को चूज करो, उस पर काम करो 2 साल तक एंड तुम प्रॉफिटेबल हो जाओगे. दैट्स अ की. 3 महीने में स्ट्रेटेजी बदलते रहोगे, इट्स नॉट गोना हैपन. begging you guys to just take it easy. Learn one strategy. Stick to one strategy. मैं ये नहीं बोला 2 साल लगेंगे, but you will have to spend that much time to understand every aspect of it. By the way, Lucid is 50% off, guys. If you have already used your 50% off, it will be 40% off and then 30% off. It's even at the 30% off, it's still the cheapest in the industry right now. go get your accounts, baby boys. And it ends on the 4th April. So before that, and once you purchase the accounts, to get $4-5 extra off, just go to like propgame.net, register your purchases that you have purchased through code game. You will get $4 worth of GP points, and you will be able to claim those once you collect enough in the accounts later on. So that's a win-win for everybody. Short looking good. I wouldn't short it here. Yeah, Mehul, I think it's probably works out on the math. You will see in the series that I'm gonna upload. You will see all the math you need to pass the accounts to get payout. Even if you have 50% of win rate, I think you will be able to take payouts easily once you know every math on there. I mean, maths जो होती है problems के behind. Yes, it does look like that we wanna pull back, but I again it wants some highs first. It should want some highs first. It should take out some highs first. Yes, just for the basics. Yes, it can go down, and I'm not saying not it cannot go down. But in my perspective, if ES closes below this, maybe yes, we can see bearish structure coming in. Till now, nothing. How did you guys do today? आज बहुत बढ़िया था भाई. I can tell you about today. 50 pointers कैच किया, भले एसएल पड़ा था. We trailed and trailed and trailed, took it out soon, earlier. Happy with today. Let's go Aditya W. यह सबको मिलेगा. अगर 8 मार्च के बाद जिसने खरीदा है उन सबको मिलेगा. गो रजिस्टर गाइस. Let's go for gaming. Hopefully you are in the profit still after taking out that TP, not taking more and more trades, giving it back to the market. Just keep the profits, stack enough basics, and you will be at the payout before you know it. Maybe one big win in between. Thank you so much for the support, Slayer. Just go to the website and register your purchases, verify, and yes. I think 1 GP point is worth right now $0.05 means 100 points. Let's say तुम $91 का 50K का अकाउंट परचेस करते हो, you will almost get like $5 worth of GP points. So तुम्हें accounts actually में पड़ रहा है $5 off. People don't understand that enough. The kind of rewards we are giving, it's huge. $5 off the market price. कल या परसों आ जाए फिर रीते सिंधे भाई. And $5, if you think it's too less, I don't know, percentage wise, it feels like it's a big discount. हाँ, सीखने में तो एपेक्स के इवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट बहुत बढ़िया है, चीप है. बट उसमें भी ट्रेलिंग हो गई. आई मीन सीख तो सकते हो उसमें भी. नॉट गोना से नो. दीपक, what should I say? It does happen with lots of people, and it's gonna happen because last stage of pressure hota hai wo sab. I mean, when you are starting out, it's not gonna happen just right away that you can pass it without taking that pressure. But be thankful that you get to that. I mean, you even got to that point of like passing it, right? समझ रहे हो ना तुम? Closing to passing it because सब पहले दिन उड़ा देते हैं. So it's a stages. सब पहले ऐसे ही उड़ा देते हैं without making any progress, and then you make some progress, blow it, and then you close to the payout. Close to passing it, and you blow it. So it's gonna happen. Like once you pass the funded accounts, you're gonna keep blowing it when you're starting out once, and then next stage is that you're gonna make some progress and then blow it. It's gonna happen. Like so, yeah. After I think it's 6th payout hours. So you are cool till 4th payout. After 4th payout, stop that account, don't trade it, and then trade other accounts. Yeah. Okay, if you are very beginner, I would want you to trade risk somewhere around $450 because, but if you know what you're doing, $600 minimum is what I do. Again, that's my perspective. I don't know if you like it or not, but yeah. I bought new 25. Thank you so much, Slayer, bhai, for using code supporting. और 50K में 100. अगर तुम्हारी स्ट्रेटेजी बोलती है कि तुम्हें वो रिस्क करना चाहिए, आई वांट यू टू रिस्क दैट मच. ओके, डोंट रिस्क. आई मीन वॉट एवर आई से. Okay, if you feel confident and if you feel like you are doing absolute everything right, you are profitable in the long term period, then you can risk like $600. You can dial down the risk on the funded accounts, $400 maybe, but I tend to risk the same amount because I know my stats. Okay, so वही चीज है. Okay, we are taking highs, we are coming back into the range. We are taking highs, we are coming back into the range. And yes ने तो अभी high भी नहीं निकाला ये वाला. So I guess we gonna chop for a while. What do you think about if I start again with 2 accounts? Go for it slowly. I was so focused in trading 5 accounts and blow it in the end. Yes, you can start again. If you keep blowing the 5 account sets, I think you should dial down. Go with 2 accounts, maybe, probably, and maybe even 1. Why with 2? Okay, and you can risk the same amount you are risking. Overall risk is less, right? You have like 1/5 your risk. Alright guys, I'm gonna go take off. Okay, it's gonna chop. We took again this. If you did not break even, if you did not do anything with this trade, it's still to the upside. My bias gonna be still to the upside before, I mean, until we take out this high. Okay, I'm gonna stay bullish, and yeah. Alright guys, I'll see you. Maybe look after we get to this area. Okay, this is what you should target even if you are in the longs, which is pretty close, but yeah. I'm having with login in Lucid Flex. If you are having problem, join the Discord, explanation my Discord, and my mods will solve it out for you. Okay. Otherwise, it sucks to blow 3 accounts, but again, if you have learned something, that's still a win. If you did not learn anything, then it's a loss. Okay, just think in that way, and always prepare for. Once you buy account, just know that you have wasted that money. I think keep that mentality that $45 or $100, whatever I spend, is gone, and trade like that. Okay, with the having zero pressure on your back, normally trading. Okay. Alright guys, I'll see you. Take care. Thank you for joining. Maybe press the like button if you like it, the stream. Love you all. Peace. Bye. Take care. How much risk is good for $500? Let's just take it $500. Alright. Love you all. Bye. Take care. Alright.